ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 46, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6. ಅಪಿ ಮೃಲ್ಲವದರ್ಶನೋತ್ಸುಕಾಂ ಜನನೀಂ ತಾಂ ಬಹುತರ್ಪಯನ್ನಿವ ಪೃಥಿವೀಂ ನಿಖಿಲಾಂ ನ ಕೇವಲಂ ಭುವನಾನ್ಯಪಿ ಅಖಿಲಾನ್ಯದೀದೃಶಃ. Word by word meaning. Mrullava darshanotsukaam api, though expecting to see only a little mud. Tam jananeem, that mother. Bahu tarpayan iva, as if to please much more. Tvam, thou. Nikhilam, prithivim, na kevalam, not merely the entire earth. Akhilani, bhuvanani, api, all the other worlds also. Adi drishaha, didst show. Full meaning. Though she expected to see only a little mud, thou didst show thy mother not merely the entire earth, but all the other worlds as well, as if to please her much more. Om Tat Sat.